Okay, so yesterday we learned props, and here if you want to pass any values from the parent component to child, so we can specify here like fname is equal to Ajay and lname is equal to anything like suppose. Okay, and we want to access here, so props dot fname and props dot lname we can access it. Okay, now I'm going to execute it. Npm start. Next thing here, okay, 1 minute. After execution, we will try to create another examples. Okay, but suppose here from app component we are not passing here. Okay, anything, save this. You can see here it's showing here Mohan because here I have declared a default value in home component. So if you want to declare any default value, so you can, here this is a component name dot default props, and you can specify the value of that properties. So if we will not pass any values from the parent component, so at the place of this it will show the default values. Okay, now I'm going to create another component like component name is suppose content dot js. Now we have need to create this component. For this purpose we can use function, and function name is content. Okay, here we can return anything like content component. Okay, and make it public. For this purpose export and default, and name is content. Okay, and if you want to access it in app.js, so we can call here like content. Oh no, sorry, this Okay, and we can see here this is a content component. Okay, now suppose we want to pass any types of values, like suppose here we want to pass a numeric values, so we can also pass here, like suppose we want to print any we want to declare any values, like suppose lname or anything, lname marks. Okay, marks is equal to 99. Okay, and we want to access this value in home. So for this purpose, marks props dot marks. Okay, again I'm trying it. Here you can see this marks 99. So we can pass any types of values from app component to parent component to child component. Okay, we can also use it as like here we can declare a variable, like let val is equal to, we can specify any values. Okay, and here we want to pass that values of val, so here specify here val. Okay, save this file and try again. You can see this 95. So we can pass any types of values from the parent component to child component. Cool. So you can see this. Here I have declared a variable val, and here we are passing here value in a variable, and in content, sorry, in home we can access it. Okay, suppose we want to pass a lot of values. Suppose here we want to pass lname is equal to any values, like Rajat. Okay, Ajay Rajat. So same we can use this prop, and we can access in the child component. Okay, but suppose we have need to pass multiple values. Okay, like array. So for this purpose we are going to create a array const, and okay, and here I'm going to create a, I want to pass array. Okay, so here we can pass here empid, we can pass here emp name, like Ravi. Okay, and we want to pass multiple values, so we can copy this. Okay, same as we can pass here multiple values. So okay, we can change the name. Okay, we can pass, and suppose we have an array. 1 minute, I think. And you can see this. No, okay, you can see this. Okay, So here I have declared a array using const. I think this is same as JavaScript. This is array data, name is data, and here I have declared multiple values: imply id, imply name, imply id, imply name. Okay, there are three records, and we want to pass this value in other component, child component. So for this first value there is a data. So suppose I am going to pass it content. So here declare item is equal to data. We can pass this values. Okay, and we want to access this value in content component. Okay, so here simply here I have declared a array values. Okay, and we want to access these values in the child component. Name is content. So here, so open content, and we want to access it. So simply first of all use props. Okay, and we want to access it. So suppose we want to there are multiple values, so we can use tables. Okay, so for this purpose, so here this is the content. After that I'm going to create a table. Okay, just like an HTML table. So here tr td, and here declare employee id, same as here employee name. Okay, sorry, here we can declare this th heading, th, okay, and now this is heading. After that I want to print the values. So for this purpose we can use td, and here we have need the values. So how to access it? So here I pass that values in there is an item. Okay, like fname lm, that is the item variable name, array name is item. So here I use props. Props 1 minute after that. First of all I'm creating a table. Okay, simply. So here, like suppose is a id, and here td imply name like Rohit. Okay, and now we want to see here, you can see this employee id and employee name. If you want to specify a border, so you can use border is equal to 2. Okay, so it will also show the border. Suppose we want to change the width of table, so here declare 25%. As you like, you can use any. So here that is a 25%, and you can see this. Okay, employee id and employee name. Okay, it's okay. Same as we can create multiple lines. Here too. Okay, and here we declare this any other, like you can specify any name. After that you can see this. Okay, and you can see this. Okay, you can properly throw this, but we have need to print the actual value. This is a actually this is a just like as a hard coding count, that is a, you can say, constant. So if you want to show the value of app.js, this component, so for this purpose here you use props that item, and the position is 0 and dot amp id. Okay, same as we can here props dot item dot emp name. Okay, and same as we can use here only change the index value and same here we can copy this and paste here. Okay, and here I declare change the value. After that here we can copy this, we can paste here this, and we can copy this and paste here. Only change the index values, and now we are going to check it's working or not. So here you can see this is working. Okay, here this I have already declared these values in the app, so we can pass array to this method. We can pass the values and transfer the app to child component. Okay, but here this is also a type of hard coding, so we can use another method. Like here we can remove this. Okay, at the place of this we will use here, this is a, okay, because we have need multiple values, so for this purpose here we use declare, we use props dot item dot map. Okay, and in map we can use this is actually I'm trying to arrow function, and here I declare data and this is arrow. Okay, after that here we declare data dot empid, same as we use here data dot emp name. Save this file. Okay, again I'm trying to show this, so it's working. Okay, suppose we will add any other values here, like copy this paste here, and here I have declared 4 and name. Okay, now again I want to show this. You can see this. So if you want to change anything, like so it will automatically reflect on your output. Like here I change it as a Mohit, then you can see this is okay. So if you want to pass a array or a group of values, so we can pass simply just like array. Here I have declared a array and these are the values and we want to pass it. So for this purpose here we can pass this and we can access here. Okay, hello, it's okay. Hello, anyone is there? I'm audible? Yes, okay. So please try to do this, okay? So I'm going to share this content. Please try this. After that we will try to show these values. We will try to get the values from the form and try to show on the table. Okay. So first of all, please try to create this table and get the values as an array and show in the form, show in the table.